Hi guys, this is Riya again. Welcome back to a very special episode in Ratanakiri in the northeast of Cambodia. I have come to check a waterfall which is called Kachanh Waterfall. Just come and have a look with me. This waterfall is about 9 kilometers away from the town. It took me around Standing in the middle of the suspension bridge is the best spot to see the whole waterfall and the view of the gorgeous tree all around. It is like the waterfall is in the jungle. The water flows into Sribok River in the Lompat district of Ratanakiri province. The name of this waterfall was given to it by the Krans people from Kachang village. You can swim here, but you have to be careful as underneath there's many different depths and rocks under the water. Swimming will depend on the time of year you visit. We were there in October and the waterfall was definitely too big and powerful to swim in. Like most attractions in Cambodia, there are small wooden bungalows with hammocks. These are a great place to relax and have drinks or some food. There's a small restaurant at the top. As I said, I was there at the end of the rainy season, so there was a great deal of the water crashing down from the top. The water isn't clear at this time of year, but it was really impressive sight. If you came in the dry season, you would see a very different waterfall to this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave comment below. And please also make sure to check out the rest of our Ratanakiri series. And please subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos to do in Cambodia. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!